Hello everyone, welcome here. In this video, I will tell you top 5 AI models that will change the world. So let's start with our first model. In Arizona, a state in USA, approve AI teachers that will deliver instructions to students in grades 4 to 8 during 2 hour school day. They were using platforms like IXL and Khan Academy to deliver academic lessons. So these schools will operate fully online mode. Now the next model is perform different tasks. I am talking about AGIBOT. It is a Chinese-based robotics company which features 1 million trajectories. These robots are designed for 40% household activities. Also, the dataset is reportedly 10 times larger than Google's OpenX embodiment. This massive open source release will supercharge next wave of household robotics innovation. Now let's move on to our third model, which is NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit. So basically it is a palm-sized AI supercomputer. Its aim is to make safer factories. It creates visual agents with its AI power. Now our fourth model is Neuradox. It is a very simple AI tool. It runs your Slack and Discord channels on autopilot with AI. So our fifth and the last AI model is Armor AI, which is developed by Mellon University and Apple. These robots uses artificial skin for increased spatial awareness. These bots are developed for dynamic and unpredictable environments. They learn from human motion data and they can dance as well.
Open Gangnam Style.
The training period is over 86 hours of realistic movements, and the tech successfully deployed a Fourier GR1 humanoid robot. So these models can be used in future. So these are the models. Bye bye.